In this video, I will show you guys step by step how to make money on YouTube without showing your face and without using your voice. And the best part, I will share with you guys an easy and profitable niche that anyone can start without any experience in editing. So let's get started. So I made $6,966 in just 1 month from YouTube without showing my face and without using my voice. I made this money just in 1 month, in the month of June. Okay, and this is one of my faceless YouTube channels, guys, that's making me $421, $343, and $282, and some days it's up to $400 and $500. Okay, you guys can make a lot of money on YouTube without showing your face and without using your voice. People who keep asking, re-upload your page. Let's re-upload this page. Let's see if the numbers will be the same numbers, because for me in my YouTube channel I don't share with you guys screenshot or just talking like that. I already re-uploaded all my pages to show you guys that the numbers are still the same numbers. And this is my account, this is my YouTube channel account, and I have like between 5 and 7 faceless YouTube channels that's making me a lot of money every single month. And here you go, the numbers are still the same numbers. Okay, anyway, I'm not waiting for you guys to believe it or not. I'm here to share with you the methods for people who are interested and serious to start making money with YouTube. So let's get started. So for people who are interested, guys, I found an easy niche that anyone can start, and this is the niche, guys. It's making funny videos. Okay, they are super easy and I will show you how you can do it. This is an example, okay, of a faceless YouTube channel upload funny videos. Okay, you see this one uploaded just 5 days ago. Do you see how many views this video got? This one, those videos, guys, are easy to make and I will show you how you can do it. So let's check how much this channel is making first to see if this niche is profitable or not. So this is the same channel. Okay, this channel is getting 3 million views per month, 7,000 subscribers, and this is the estimated revenue. It's up to $10,000 and even more. It's between $10,000 and $27,000. You guys can make a lot of money with this really stupid method. It's easy to make like those videos. They are easy. Okay, and you can see, guys, this channel uploaded just 3 videos in this month. Okay, it's just 3 videos and they made up to $10,000 with 3 million views. Okay, so to start making, like, let me show you, to start making like those videos, what this person is doing is that he is taking those videos from TikTok. Go to TikTok, open your TikTok account like this, search for funny video TikTok, scroll down, and here you go. You will find a lot of funny TikTok videos that you need to upload to your laptop. Okay, those videos are short videos, so we will upload a lot and add one next to another one and make your video long. Okay, you see, guys, and upload just videos that has million of views. Okay, so your video will get a lot of views on YouTube. You can find unlimited videos here. Look this one, 6 million views, 8 million views, 38 million views, 12 million views, 62 million views. So what you will do to upload these videos, it's super easy. Just copy the link of the video. For example, I want to upload this one. I will click on this video. Just click on the video that you want to upload. This is the link of your video. Copy the link of your video here. Okay, and go back. We will delete this. So this is the video. Copy the link. So just copy the link and go back to okay, so I'm gonna remove this one. So what you will do, guys, like I said, copy the link of your video and go and search for this website. Let me show you. Search for this website, Snapcheek. Search for this one. Put your TikTok video link here that you want to download, like this. Click on download, and here you go. This is your TikTok video. Click on download, and this TikTok video will be downloaded to your laptop. Go and create an account on Canva like this one. Click over here. This will be your home page. It's for free. Click on video. You will be directly in this page. Click over here on upload and upload those videos to Canva and add each video in each page. Each video, put for example the first one in this page, second one in the second page, second one in this page, and so on. Make your video long, okay? And that's it. And you will make like those videos. You will make like those videos, okay? Like this one or like this one, okay? And you will start making money with YouTube just by re-uploading TikTok videos, okay? But you need to edit those videos, add the background music, and add some transition between the videos, some sound effects. Make your videos more engaging, more professional. You can make a lot of money. And if you guys want me to make a video showing you step by step how we can do it and how we can make like those videos exactly like this channel, I can do that. I just need to see if a lot of people are interested or not, okay? So if you guys are interested, comment in this video YouTube automation. If a lot of people are interested, like this video and like this video. If a lot of people are interested, I will show you guys how we can do it so you can start making $10,000 per month, okay? I'm not telling you guys that you will make this money overnight. You will start today, tomorrow you will start making like this. Of course not. You need to stay consistent, grow your YouTube channel, and you will start making like this money, okay? And this channel uploads it's almost 90 videos, okay? Let me see where this channel started making those videos 4 years ago, okay? You see this one? And they are making, it's just all about consistency, guys. If you can upload one video per day, you can grow fast. You will not take this much time, okay? Your channel will grow fast if you upload one video per day, because this channel is not consistent, and even that it's a successful channel and it's making a lot of money, okay? If we go over here, let me see. You can see they are uploading just 3 videos per month. This one and this one and this one, just 3 videos per month, and they are making up. They are making over $10,000 per month. That's really a lot, okay? That's it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Let me know in the comments if you are interested or not, and like this video, and see you in my next videos.